Slice it, glue it.
Hello friends, today I am sharing egg bomb.
Let's slice it.
To prepare our egg bomb masala, I am going to dry roast few ingredients. In a hot pan, star anise, cinnamon and clove, green cardamom, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, black pepper, curry leaves. Dry roast all these ingredients until it gives a nice aroma. Some cashew nuts, finally red chilies. Transfer to a mixer jar and grind this fine powder. Next I am going to prepare fish masala. Ginger garlic paste, prepared egg bomb masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. Our masala is ready. Let's start marinating the fish. Apply this masala on fish both the sides and rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, fry the fish on tawa and keep aside. Next, I'm going to prepare chicken, prawn and mutton masala. In a hot pan, 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 cup of chicken. Saute the chicken in oil for few minutes. Half done, add ginger and garlic paste. Saute the chicken along with the ginger and garlic paste for few minutes. Chicken is almost cooked. It has loosened the water. The moisture in the chicken is enough to cook all our meat. At this stage, I am adding prawns. Let the prawn cook along with the chicken for 5 minutes. Prawn is almost cooked. At this stage, I am adding cooked mutton. I have pressure cooked the mutton for 3 whistles. Time to add our egg bomb masala. The flavor from this masala will enhance our dish only when we roast the ingredients until it gives nice aroma. Chicken, prawn and mutton are sauteed and cooked well. Along with this, finally I am adding fish. Our egg stuffing is now ready. prepare the egg batter, I am adding besan flour, rice flour, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and some asafoetida. Mix well without any lumps. The batter should not be too thick or too watery. To make stuffing, cut the boiled egg into half and remove the yolk in it. Now fill the egg with our prepared stuffing. Dip the stuffed egg in the egg batter and deep fry it in hot oil. Hence we have cooked our egg and egg stuffing. No need to cook in oil for long time. All ready, it's time to serve. All our chicken, fish, prawn and mutton are cooked along with the aromatic spices, stuffed inside the egg and deep fried in oil and holds the taste. I meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's slice it again. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe our channel. Bye.